For anyone who's looking to bring in a little peace and calm into their skincare routine and get an amazing facial workout, meet the Jade workout set. It comes with our Sculpty Jade Gua Sha and our Jade roller, which has a large end for the majority of the face and a smaller end for the eye and lip area. Let me show you how to use it. Work in an upward and outward motion to gently glide the Gua Sha from the base of the neck towards the bottom of the ear. Attach the notch to the center of the chin and work along the jawline upwards towards the bottom of the ear. Beginning underneath the eye, at the side of the nose, work to scrape outwards towards the hairline. Repeat this step 3 to 6 times before moving on to the forehead, continuing to work upwards and outwards towards the hairline. Once you've finished this entire step, move on to the other side of the face. Once you've repeated all of these motions on both sides of the face, work in a downward motion starting from the jawline to the base of the neck. Now your skin is ready to use your roller to help calm and cool the skin.